Can see my screen?
No,
This one.
no.
Wow. I thought I taught you this. Okay, let me quickly teach this before we go straight to functions. So PEMDAS or PEMDAS stands for parenthesis. Let's look at the whole. Check it from the beginning. Okay. When we are creating complex formulas, we have to follow this order, or else if we don't follow it, we will get a wrong result. So the order in which we do our calculations. For example, look at this calculation on the screen. This calculation on the screen. This one.
Mm.
Mhm. This calculation we see on the screen. The the way we follow it, or the way it is calculated, follows this pattern.
Mm.
PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis. P stands for parenthesis.
Okay.
So if if Excel is going to calculate this now, it will not start from 10. It will not start from there. It will not start from 10. It will not add this. You start with this one that is inside parenthesis. This is parenthesis. This one. This thing is called the parenthesis. This one. So that's what the P
The
stands
P.
for. P for parenthesis. It simply tell you that it will start with what is inside the parenthesis. So the first thing it will do is to do this. Is to do um, is to do 6 plus. It will do is to do 6 minus 3, which will be equal to 3. You can see my screen.
Yeah.
So what it will do as an Excel is to say is 6 minus 3, which will give us 3. So it will now have 10 plus 3 divided by 2. All this thing I'm showing you, it will not show it on the screen, but when you are
Other operation.
okay, using it, okay, order of operation. So you can see I'm drawing something now. Can you see it on the screen?
No.
Okay. Let me just be explaining, because I don't know how this is working. So when you look at the screen, you see the parenthesis. The parenthesis is the bracket. This the way
Yes. 6 minus
6
3
minus 3, they
bracket.
are in bracket. When Excel wants to do
Yes.
operation, it will first of all do what is in bracket first. That's what the P stands for. Anything in parenthesis or bracket will be the first thing it will do.
Okay.
Yes.
Anything bracket.
It will first be the first thing to do when it wants to do the calculation.
Okay.
Then the next thing it will do, since this is P is bracket, and everything in bracket it will do. That means it will do 6 minus 3,
3.
which the answer will be 3. Is it not so?
Mm.
So the next thing it will now do, is the E part. What is E? E is exponential. E is exponential. Let's go to the
There is nothing there. See.
uh, yes. E is exponential. I'm going to the next stage now. Let's see. This is parenthesis. As you can see, look at the first one, parenthesis. Can you see it?
Okay. I can see this one.
Parenthesis. You can see the one that
Has
is
come up.
the one that is working on. So it will first of all do that and do
Mm.
the calculation. Then the next one, you can see the next one. The next one is exponent. You see the one?
Exponent.
Yes,
Yes.
you can see the one is working on
10 plus
2.
3.
You see, it has done the calculation of that 3 of the first one and put 3 there. 6 minus 3 is 3. That's what. Then the next one to do is the one after the 2, the 2 raised to power 2. That's what to do. And 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. So the next one to do is multiplication. This multiplication, can you see it? Multiplication or division.
Yes.
So whichever
Yes.
comes first. Whichever comes first. So it's supposed to be multiplication or division, but because in this thing that division comes first, it will do 3 divided by 4. So then the next one is still division and multiplication. It will now times the answer, 3 divided by 4, which is 0.75 times 4. That's this division.
That's division.
The multiplication is doing. The first one is division. Division comes before multiplication. So he did that one, 3 divided by 4, which gives us 0.75. Then it now comes to the part of multiplication. Now that's 0.75 times 4. So when you go to the next stage, which is addition, this 0.75 times 4 is equals to 3. So the addition, you now do 10 plus 3. Then the last one is subtraction, minus 1. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 minus 1. The whole answer of all these things we are doing now is 12. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So all of these things from starting with P, E, M, D, it will work it out until it gives you the answer. The right answer is 12. If the answer is not, if you type all of these things and the answer is not 12, that means you didn't, something is missing, something is wrong. So this order of PEDMAS is to show you.
The last
Yes, the last one. The last one is
X at the last.
A is for addition. S is for, can
I
see it.
know S for
S is for subtraction.
subtraction. Okay.
Yes. So that subtraction is after you do the addition, 10 plus 13 minus 1. So the answer is equal to 12.
Yes.
So that's what it does
Okay.
in PEDMAS. Anytime you don't need to bother so much, but the thing is that have it in mind that when you are doing calculations, this is the order it will follow. If you don't get the right answer, check your formula, check the formula you entered, whether it is following the right order. So the thing you know that it will first of all do the one that is inside parentheses, it will do exponential, then to follow by division or multiplication, whichever comes first. Then it will do addition, then do subtraction. Yeah, so that's how you create a complex formula. I don't know.
G is evaluation, right?
Yes, it evaluates it according to this order.
Okay.
This order to follow this order. So it will not start from 10 plus whatever. It will not start 10 plus 6 or whatever. It will go first with the one in the parentheses. Do you understand? The one inside the parentheses will be the first thing to do before it does any other thing. And it follows this order from P, E, M, D, whichever it is, D or M. It will first of all do anyone that comes first between these two, it will do it. Then in this one to addition or subtraction, anyone that comes first, it will do it. So that is the order. I don't know, let's see if you can quickly practice it. Let's see if you can practice it. Let's see if you can practice it, then we can using PEMDAS. Using PEMDAS. Yes, PEMDAS. Using PEMDAS. So the formula we have is 10 plus 6 bracket then plus bracket 6 minus 3 bracket.
I'm not seeing your screen.
I'll share it with you now. I want to type it first so I can
Okay.
see.
Okay.
2 equals to 4 minus 1. So, P-E-M-D-A-S. Okay, let me quickly share my screen so I can see it. Okay, can you see my screen now?
No.
It has come up now.
Okay. I can see.
Okay.
I can hear that. Yeah.
So this is the PEMDAS we are talking about. The this is the formula we have in our Excel. This is the formula. So this formula is what we are going to enter into this box. So the first thing to do, we are going to take it section by section. The first thing to do under this one, well, the first thing to do is the parenthesis. This one that is here like this. This one, 6 plus 6 minus 3. That's the first thing to pick. You understand? And this is equal to,
Because it's in bracket.
yes, it's in bracket. You are getting it. You can see this is the result. This is what it will give you. It will give you 3. Then the next one, it will pick this other one. It will pick this. The next thing to do in this area, it will pick this one, $2 2 per appendix 2. Sorry. So it will pick this. So this one now, if you look at this one is what now? This one is 2 raised to power 2. And what do we call it? Is what? 4. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So this is multiplication. So in this, the multiplication comes after division. Is either one, which one comes first in this between multiplication and division? Which one comes first? This or this? Which one comes first?
Yes. Between
Division or multiplication? Which one comes first?
multiplication and division.
Yes.
Is it division will come? Is it not multiplication first before division?
According to our.
It's multiplication.
According to our.
But is it changing?
Yeah. It will change. Something will change.
Okay.
So if you look at it now, this one is giving us 4. So there's division came before multiplication in this formula. In this formula M, division came before. So this division has to take place. This division has to take place. So what is the division? The division is this. So the division is in this place to take place here. So it is 3. You know this one is 3. It will be 3. What is going to take place here is 3. This 3 that is here. 3. It's going to be 3. 3 divided by 4. This one here, you know, it has changed to 3. It has changed to 3. Then this one is now 4. This 2 by 2. Is that the answer for this one? The answer for this one is 3. The answer for this one is 4. So this is what is going to take place. To jump this one because it's not that it's time. This M is not that it's time. So this is what is going to take place, and this is the result of this one is 3 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by 4. We give you can see it, 3.75. So the whole of this now from bracket 6 minus 6 divided by 2 raised to power 2 is equals to 0.75. So when this place has taken place, when this one has done its own, that is when this one multiplication now follows. This multiplication is after this. You can see where the multiplication sign is. So it will now be, what we now have is this. We will now have this 0.75 times 4. 0.75 times 4. So 0.75 times 4 will give us what? You can see 0.75 times 4 will give us 3 again. Will give us 3. Do you see that? So then, after that, the addition will now take place. The first addition, between addition and subtraction, which takes place. The addition and subtraction, which takes place. The addition here, this 10 now, this 10 will now be able to carry out its function. Now be 10 plus this 3 again. This 3 that we've gotten again. So the answer will be 10 plus 3 equals to 13. Then the last one, that subtraction, will now be 13. Will now be 13 minus the last one, which is 1. It is 1. So 13 minus 1 will give you 12. Out. So let's so let's continue. So yes, you were asking whether it is whether where's the addition. The addition took place here. This one.
I think you know what they are saying.
So when you look at the calculation entirely, that's the process it takes for it to give you what we have on the screen. So if you look at it, what is the answer? The answer is 12. 12. You can see. But we are just have to show you step by step of how everything took place. How everything took place. We can look at it in another way. Let's say this is the listing here. The first one that took place, the parenthesis. Let me share it. Parenthesis. How this thing works. Break into parts. Okay. The first one is 10 plus. 10 plus 10. This is number 10. Then this one is a plus. Plus 7. So 10 plus parenthesis. Okay. And this one. I hope you are following. Hello?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay, so just quickly want to get this done in a way that you understand. So, this the same formula. The same formula is what we are representing here. We can represent it here like this. The same formula. So what happens is that the first thing that will take place is parenthesis. This one, this parenthesis. The first thing that will take place is the parenthesis. So it will be 3, 6, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3. This minus 3 is 3. That's the first one, parenthesis. Parenthesis. Then the second one we said is exponents. Exponents. So exponential, this one, this is exponential. Exponential is the next one that will take place. Exponential. So it will be, we say bring down this 3. Bring down this 3. Then this, no, let's leave it there. You bring down this exponential to be 3. Exponential is 2 raised to power 2. That is 4. So the next one will be division. Division or multiplication. Well, because it's supposed to be multiplication, because supposed to be, yes, supposed to be m. Supposed to be m like this.
Yes.
M. But because this division comes before this one, comes before multiplication. So what we shall have, we'll just to jump it and go to division, to be 3 divided by 3. This 3 divided by 4. That's 3 divided by, what am I doing? This 3 divided by 4. So this 3 divided by 4 will give us the answer. What is the answer? The answer will be 3 divided by 4. The answer should be, let's do it here. The answer should be the answer should be 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. Okay, you can see 0.75. You can see it. So that is the
Yes.
what do you call it? The divisions part. So this division part now, this division part will take place before you come first before first. So done first. Then this one will now be done second because it's the next one. So it will be what? 3 divided by, so this 7.5 now, we are going to do it here because it's your second. So it will m, the m now, let's say the m is now here because this division has taken its place. The m now will now be 0.75 times times 8 times times this 4 here. This 4, you can see this 4 here. So the answer will be 0.75 0.75 sorry, 0.75 times 4 will give us 3. So now the next thing is addition. This addition now, addition. So the next addition, what is the addition now? The addition is the very first thing that came in this formula, 10 plus. So the 10 plus. So that 10 plus, we now bring it down, 10 plus.
10.
So 10 plus, let's say this is the plus, 10 plus. This 3 that is here, I have to bring it down because this is the 3 that is continuing. So let's bring the 3 closer. This is the 3. 10 plus 3 will give us 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Can you see it?
13.
Then the last one is the subtraction, the S, subtraction. So the subtraction will now be 13, this 13. Remember this minus that is here, minus 1. Minus 1. It will now take its own effect. Minus 1. So 13 minus 1, the overall answer will now be our total answer our answer will be this 13 minus 1. That's the answer. Can you see that? So that is how this PEDMAS work. Oh, are you confused, or you understand the whole thing? But it is that once you follow, okay, once you follow this method, once you follow this explanation, once you follow it, you will not have any difficulty. Just when you're entering your complex formula, just make sure that you put all those things there. You put something in brackets. If you wanted to do that thing in brackets first, do it. Yeah,
Also, as you are doing this one,
yes,
as you are working this one,
mm.
you will not look at the R, A, R, S and the numbers. You just do it like that in the box.
Yes, it's just the formula. Once you type the formula inside, I'm just showing you how Excel thinks. It's not you that will be doing all this. You see, I didn't need to do all this.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just using it to explain how Excel works. Okay, so that is how please, you can read it up in the book. Read that in the book so I can understand better. So right now, what I'm going to do now is just introduce you. Let's quickly start. We have about 2 minutes to look at one of the functions that we have in Excel. One of the functions we have in Excel. And the function name is sum. Sum. Look at it. Sum. This one. SUM. So what is sum? Sum is a formula that enables us to add things together. It's addition. It's the same thing as when you say 2 plus 2, 10 plus 10, 5 plus 3. It's sum. It's addition. It performs addition on numbers and cell references. So just to add, that's what sum is. And the formula is this. If you want to enter a formula, you know now. What do? You want to enter a formula. What do you first type? If you want to enter a formula, you type, or a function, you type this. Argument. That is the first form. The first how you use it first. The other one could be the other one, which is very common argument. 1 to 2 must be okay. So you can see. Look at what we have here. So this is how you use sum if. Let's say you have we have 10 here, we have 15 here, we have 20 here. If you want to use this formula, this first one, you want to use this first one.
This
You
one
say
has to do with the
yes,
alphabet and the
yes.
line
This one has to use with numbers or
numbers.
yes, yeah. And
Mm.
if you look at, you can use number. We are going to do two examples of this now. Two examples. The first one is you say
Okay.
equals to sum. You can do like this: sum 10, 15, 20, and you close. It will give you 45. Sum 15, 20. You can put equal to. You can even use plus inside. You can use plus inside. Let me see how it will work. It will take it. But this one, if you use this kind of method, it shows that you don't understand what you are actually doing. Because this one, you have numbers. You have numbers already. The numbers are already here. The numbers are already there. So the numbers are already there. Why are you typing them again? So all you need to do is to do cell referencing. You say sum equal to sum, the cell reference. This is W29, 27, comma, put comma, then click on the next one. The Y27, the last one, Z27. You close the bracket. What does it give you? 45. And look at what is inside the formula. Can you see it? Sum W27, comma, Y27, comma,
W27,
Z27.
Y27.
And yes, and you can see that it's selecting where the numbers are. It's a 10 plus 15 plus 20. The answer is 45. Can you see it? Can you see it? These are methods, these are ways you can use sum. Now the next one, which shows that you know what you are doing in Excel, is this one. This sum argument colon argument 1 colon argument 2. This one you don't type the numbers, you just type the reference. You see, let's say it now, equal to sum, open bracket, the cell reference 1. You click on the first cell reference, which is W27. You type a colon and click on the last one. You jump over the one that has 15, jump over it and click on the last one. Once you click on the last one, you close it. Can you see that even I didn't select 15, it has picked it up for me? Why? Because I said my formula is start from 27, sum from 27. This equal to, it means to, and end it at to Z, to anything that's in between W and Z. Pick it and add it, and I close my listing. You still get 45. Can you see it? Do you understand? Do you understand it? The difference between this formula. Let's look at this formula now. Let me bring it out. The difference between this formula and this one. Can you see the difference? This one and this one. Can you tell me what is the difference?
What I'm looking at.
Hmm?
Yeah, the difference. Yeah, this one is the sum. Is it argument 1?
Yeah.
And but this one is The alphabet number W27, Z27.
Okay. See this one, let me color it so I can see it. This one that is in yellow, and this one
Mm.
that is in that is which color? Let me use blue. Okay. Can see the
Ah,
difference. See this one,
okay.
the first one, sum, open bracket, the cell reference W27, comma,
Mm.
Y27, comma, Z27.
Okay,
This
this one
one,
there is no comma.
this one is using comma, and is
Mm.
referencing every cell you want to add. You are calling them. Everyone 20
Mm.
W27, Y27, Z27. But this one, it only has some, open bracket, the first one W27. Then it jumps. It didn't mention.
W27.
Yes, it didn't mention
You
Y27.
mention Y. You jump
Yes,
to Z.
it just put a colon. That colon means anything between Y and W and Z. Put it, include it in my summation, and ends it with Z.
Okay.
You can see you don't need to. This one is shorter. This one is much more better. Shorter and much more better than this one that is longer. This one is longer. You have to be. What if you have 1 million? You have 1 million things inside. So you'll be typing the 1 million. But this one, you only need two things: the beginning and the end. So
The
anything
end.
between, yes, the beginning and the end. Anything in between, it will add it. But this one,
But
you have to.
as you see, taking the beginning and the end, it will still bring the answer to the middle.
Yes, it will still give
You
you the
look at
answer. You
okay.
still get the answer. But this one is longer because you have to be adding each individual cell. But this one, you don't need
Mm.
everything, just the first and the last. It will add anything between together.
Okay.